Hey, it's Jay. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning into another video, and if you're new here, welcome. So we already know why we're here, for this bomb side part, so let's just get into the video. So to get a better install, I am going to mark on my forehead with the eyebrow pencil, where I need the lace to be. So this just helps me not put way too much glue on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue down. Just not getting it too close to the marks that I made because we don't want the glue right up against the marks. We're gonna let what's on there set and I'll be back later. All right, it's been on for about 3 seconds, but I'm starting to get a headache, so it needs to come off. Clean up the makeup. Some areas I didn't clean well enough, but now I'm gonna finish laying the rest of the lace because some of the lace isn't down. Alright, so while I'm trying to lay these ear tabs down, I'm gonna just go ahead and brush this out. I'm gonna go ahead and like start flat combing it and stuff because yeah, just let this sit under here. Okay, so the flat iron has finished, not the flat iron, the hot comb is done heating up. So I'm going to take it off, the elastic band off, and just see what side is better. So I can start like straightening the hair and everything for the side part. I don't know, this might be the winner. At the same time though, I do have like some of my actual hair. Well, the baby hair will cover that. I usually start off with the arch of my eyebrow as a guideline for where I want my part to start, so. I have a 6-inch parting space on this, so I don't really need to curve the part or anything, so I'm not gonna curve it. All right, I think I have the part pretty straight looking. So I'm gonna put some wax on it, not some wax, some flyaway tamer. Everything got in check with that flyaway tamer. I feel like we're finally getting somewhere. So that's great. This looks good. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay my baby hairs and then I'm going to tie that down and flat iron the rest of the wig. I just remembered I have another foam, so I'm hyped. I think that was the reason I wasn't using this one. Maybe it has like alcohol or something in it, and I heard it'll like make your lace lift, but I'm gonna use it because I don't have anything else and I was really struggling with the glue. Those over here took forever, but now I can straighten the wig. I'm glad that I made it to this point. Didn't think I would get here. I'm gonna spray it with my heat protectant. This is the Chi because I'm gonna put some of that oil on here too, and I don't want too many products to be on it. Every time I record a video, I'm hungry at some point because it takes me so long to record videos. And I be doing whatever I'm doing for hours usually. So it seems like every video I make, I'm talking about I'm hungry. Clearly I'm doing the chasing method. I used to do this with a comb, but now I do it with a brush because for one, I can get it done faster, and two, I don't know, I feel like it works a bit better. I think it works better than with a comb. So we have this straightened side and this below dried side. And this is how long it is. It's 18 inches, I believe. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little bit of this stuff I got today. It's the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment. I think that definitely made the hair shinier and like tamed some of that frizz. And I didn't use a lot, so I might go in with some more, but for now, I just want to see how it looks. Okay, so here's the final look. I think it looks really good. I like it a lot. I think I did a really good job on the side part. Maybe even like right behind my ear too. Yeah, I think I did a really good job on this side part. So let me know how you liked it in the comments down below. Yeah, let me know what you think about it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have something to say, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more from me, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.